Car shoppers, welcome back to Lexus of Wilmington. Just in our inventory is this 2015 Lexus RX350. This one is black. It's got saddle leather interior, power bucket seats, front heated and cooled seats, CD, satellite radio, navigation, rear view camera, and almost 34,000 miles. Got wood and leather steering, sunroof, nice size back seat, Lexus wheels, power rear door, plenty of room back here in the trunk area, and it's right here at Lexus of Wilmington. Looking for more information on this 15RX or any of the other almost 100 vehicles in our pre-owned inventory in our 90,000 square foot pre-owned showroom. That's right. When you come here to Lexus of Wilmington, you do your car shopping indoors to avoid the elements of the weather. Stay warm, stay cool, stay dry when you car shop inside at Lexus of Wilmington. Go to lexusofwilmington.com for more information.